I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make blur Figma, only way. Start by selecting the layer you want blurred, then duplicate it for non-destructive editing. Use layer blending and masks to control the blur region precisely. Apply Gaussian blur from the Effects panel and adjust intensity while preserving vector fidelity. Group and name layers for easy iteration and turn off visibility to compare before and after changes. Select your target layer and immediately duplicate it so you always have the original intact. Add Gaussian blur from the Effects menu and nudge the radius while watching edges and contrast. Create a mask from a shape or use layer alpha to limit the blur region precisely. Combine blur with opacity adjustments to blend seamlessly into your design and keep all edits editable for future tweaks. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack cleanly for quick lunches between sessions. They fit into bag compartments and keep salads, sauces, and snacks fresh for long design days without spills. If this helps your workflow, check the description for the link and other deals, and please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Now let's get back to the video. Use subtle radii for interface elements and larger radii for backgrounds to maintain readability. Avoid rasterizing layers unless necessary, because vectors keep future edits simple and file size smaller. If blur looks harsh, reduce opacity or add a mask feather for smoother transition. Test at actual export sizes and on device previews so you catch artifacts early and keep your final visuals crisp and consistent across screens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.